What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here. Today we're going to be installing the AWE dual tip exhaust on our 2.3 liter Ford Bronco. Inside every AWE exhaust box you will find a box like this. When you open it up, you will see that you get your clamps. With the Bronco kit, you also get an additional hanger. You also have your QR code for instructions, AWE sticker, some additional hardware, and then the goodies. We elected for the black tips, and just like any other AWE exhaust, they include a lollipop for you. With this exhaust, it is a little bit on the louder side, so I think it's really important to get it out on the highway. See how we're droning at about 55 and above, so that way you can see if this is an exhaust that you can live with. So there we go, that was the drone test. As you heard on the highway, you may have heard wind noise more than you heard the exhaust. So in my book, that is definitely a win. Definitely something you'd be able to live with. You get the nice deep tone when you get on it, but when you're just cruising, you barely even notice it. All right, so that's gonna just about wrap this one up. As you can see, we did install the AWE 0FG exhaust on our Ford Bronco. The dual tips do look pretty sweet on the back end of the vehicle, and it does give a much deeper tone that we really like. If you guys like it too, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to drop a comment, do so below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any more content. Thanks for watching.